Do this and men will always chase you. Ladies, take a step back and let them chase you. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Now learn how to make a man chase you. It's one thing for a guy to notice you, it's quite another to make him chase you. Perhaps you're wondering how you might persuade a guy that you're the type of person he'd like to date and have in his life. It's time to figure out how to make the guy you're interested in crave and chase you. So you can let a guy do the chasing, I'm going to show you the subtle yet strong moves that work like a charm. 1. Don't be too available. When a guy knows he can see a girl whenever it's convenient for him, he loses any desire to hang out with her. If a guy believes your social calendar is filled, he will be much more eager to secure a spot for himself. The same is true for texting. If you're constantly on your phone, answering as soon as he contacts you, he'll think you don't have anything else to do. Men seek something that they believe other men want as well. Don't play games, but keep your cool. It's fine to agree to last-minute plans on occasion, but remember that absence makes the heart grow fonder and the desire burn brighter. 2. Always leave him wanting more. Don't tell your entire life story on your first, second, or third date. Create intrigue. On your first date, tell him half of the most interesting facts and bits about your life, and then spread the rest out over future dates. It's like laying a breadcrumb trail for him to follow to your heart. Include something about that exciting vacation you had with your friends in college, or about an argument you had with your boss at the office. If he believes he knows everything there is to know about you, he is unlikely to be eager to plan your next date. 3. Random acts of kindness. Being kind is the most straightforward yet effective way to entice him to pursue you and be committed. Cooking for him, taking care of him when he's sick, sending him a surprise package, or even making comforting physical contact are a few examples of spontaneous acts of kindness that might make a man think of you. These small acts of affection, especially when they're given freely, leave a lasting impression. Your partner will be grateful for your efforts as a result, ready for more, and persistent in his pursuit of you until he gets it. 4. Have your own personal space to make the guy chase you. Sometimes when you start dating someone, you immediately make him the center of your universe. You can't stop wondering where the guy is, what he's up to, and who he's with. You must keep in mind that you already had your own life before he entered in. Your neediness and clinginess could kill the attraction because he will either feel suffocated by your care or his ego will grow and he will become overconfident. Although there is nothing wrong with demonstrating your commitment to a man, doing it excessively will simply make him feel more significant. Allow the guy to make room for you to go shopping and enjoy your favorite hobbies. This will demonstrate to him your independence. 5. Be honest. At the beginning of a relationship, we always want to present our best selves. While making a good impression is important, you should also remember to be authentic. When you're acting like someone else at first, he can find himself drawn to you. The drawback of doing this is that you will have to maintain the front. On the other hand, if you show him the real you, he might lose interest. It simply suggests that he might not be the right man for you if he doesn't like you for who you are. Resentment will fester if you try to transform yourself into someone else. This is because you can't possibly change who you are forever for a relationship. Some of your habits may change initially, but you'll eventually revert to them. He will leave if he doesn't like who you are in real life. For this reason, there is no need to commit to a relationship with someone who doesn't accept you for who you are. But if he likes you just as you are, he won't have any choice but to pursue you. 4. Don't call or text the guy always. This should be a no-brainer if you're trying to make the guy chase after you. It can be challenging, but you must control the want to continuously phone or text him. If you're the one who constantly picks up the phone and text first, he's not into the chase. Wait a few hours before responding to his messages. Wait a moment before answering the phone when he calls. The intention is to dispel the idea that you're waiting for his call or text while seated next to your phone. It is his responsibility to call or text you if he is indeed interested in you. This is due to the fact that if he is sincerely wanting you, nothing will stop him. There is no point in pursuing him if he isn't interested. As you wait for him to get in touch, keep yourself busy. 7. Keep it brief throughout. It won't take long for the dude to contact you. Make sure to be short yet direct whenever you speak to him in person, over the phone, or even by text. The urge to send him a text message filled with passionate words should be resisted. Make sure to end the conversation quickly, even if you think you're enjoying your time with him. He needs to want more of you, and you want that. His hunger for you will only increase if you limit the time you spend with him. He'll be forced to pursue you because he won't know what else to do. Most men struggle to keep up conversations. They sometimes prefer simple texts as well. Texts that are too long will simply confuse the guy. If you feel compelled to address him with something, make it short and sweet. Make sure you convey the message without adding any unnecessary details. When you do this, he may feel more comfortable speaking to you and may be more likely to approach you for a good discussion. Not only do you make him want you more, but you also keep things straightforward. 8. Wait before entering a relationship. Rushing to end singlehood is a basic mistake made by women. They fail to recognize that a woman's singleness is a wonderful stage of her life. Being single gives you the freedom to advance without having anyone push you about. You will have enough time to realize your goals. One of the most important decisions you ever need to make is whether or not to find the perfect person. When you're anxious to end your single status, you will likely start pressing for a commitment right away, most likely with the first decent man you meet. You'll stop enjoying the advantages of being single and begin chasing. Men are aware that worthwhile endeavors involve effort. The man you are pursuing will realize that you're absolutely worth pursuing if you're not in a rush to end your single status. Many men like the chase when wooing a woman. Some individuals think that the idea of having men chase after you is outdated and has no place in the life of an independent woman in the present world. However, every man is born with the DNA of a caveman, which drives men to pursue their desires. This impulse won't go away anytime soon, so you should learn how to make the most of it. Make any guy chase after you by using these tricks. Did you learn anything new today? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn the bell notification on, and you will never miss a video from us. Thanks for watching.